The types of cases that my office handles in the personal injury field consist of car accident cases, whether you are the driver, a passenger, or a pedestrian. We also represent people who are injured as a result of a slip and fall, trip and fall, a construction accident, medical malpractice, a dog bite case, a ceiling collapse case. If you are injured in any way, you can call us for a free consultation. A personal injury case is essentially about three criteria. Number one is liability. In other words, whose fault was it? If it was your fault, then there's no case. As far as injury goes, there are three types. One is a laceration that results in scarring. The other one is a fracture. You can see that on an x-ray. But the third type is a little bit more murky. And by that I mean it's the kind of injury that you can't see. That's your neck injury, your back injury, your shoulder injury, your knee injury. In that regard, we have to look at diagnostic tests that are going to document the type of injury that you are talking about. You could be standing there and you look healthy as a hog, but you could have a very significant neck injury. And the only way to document that is by diagnostic testing, whether it be an MRI, which is magnetic resonance imaging, or a CAT scan, or an X-ray. The third criteria is money, or more accurately, insurance coverage. So if the person responsible does not have any money or does not have insurance, well, then you can't get blood from a stone. You can't make chicken soup from chicken feathers. Those are the three criteria that you have to look towards. In my opinion, insurance companies do not necessarily have your best interest at heart. You pay a lot in terms of premiums, whether it be for your automobile insurance, your homeowner's policy, whatever the case may be. And when the time comes for them to step up and protect you, oftentimes they become your adversary. They will disregard the merits of your case and they will try to cast the facts of your case in a very negative light. The goal that my office has for our personal injury clients is to maximize their potential recovery. We don't lie, we don't cheat, we just take the cards that we are dealt and we present them in a light most favorable to our client's interest. My experience in the personal injury field is that I have been associated with the legal representation of more than 5,000 injured victims over the last 35 years. And I have been associated with the monetary recovery of more than $1 billion on behalf of our clients' interest. I'm very proud of that. Clients hire my firm for a variety of reasons. The first one I would say is goodwill. And by that I mean, we have represented so many people over the 35 years that I have been practicing. And those past clients reach out to people that they know who were injured, whether it be their neighbor, their coworker, a family member, and they recommend those people to us. That's one way. The other way is with our website. We have a lot of 5-star reviews, and whenever anybody reviews my website and they see those reviews, they realize that this is a really good firm, and that we are. I would say that our current clients and past clients would say of our firm is that we are very expert in terms of what we do. You know, there are those who are a jack of all trades but a master of none. We focus in on the personal injury world, and as a result, we're very knowledgeable in that area. But we also care about our clients, and that really shines through. Our firm strongly believes that communication with our clients is paramount. If a client calls our firm, we have a strict rule. You must get back to that client that day. Do not leave at the end of the day until such time as you do, and speak to that client about whatever concern or problem that they have. And then if necessary, speak with others in the firm, whether it be with me or any of the other lawyers that work for the firm, to find out the best way to resolve the problem or the concern or the question that the client has. The law office of Thomas Lavin is a medium-sized firm. We have about 25 staff members. There are 3 lawyers that work for me. And the good thing about that is we are a close-knit group. It's almost like a family environment. I have a lawyer who's been working with me for over 25 years. And the fact that we are so close as a group really shines through, and the clients feel that. And it's special. It gives them a warm feeling about what it is we are doing for them. What you can expect from my office after our initial consultation is that you are going to be told the truth. We are going to tell you what the good, what the bad, and what the ugly is. It's rare that a case is perfect. There's always a concern or a worry or perhaps even a problem. When it's all over, you're going to understand the law as it relates to the facts of your case, and you're going to have a better sense as to what the possibilities are.